Hello, my name is Christoph Dörr, and this video will demonstrate the end-to-end server provisioning process with Leon. When we talk about server provisioning, we don't look only on the VM cloning part. In our opinion, the whole process starts earlier, when the IT department decides which service requests their end users can request. Those requests will be shown in a service catalog. Based on the company and tenant to which the user belongs, he will see only services he is allowed to request. The service catalog can be displayed directly in Leon, or the service can be synced with BMC Digital Workplace Advanced and displayed and requested from there. When a new service will be requested, there might be a few pre-provisioning steps to be done, like getting an IP address from the IP address management system, calculate the host name based on specific conditions, or trigger an approval process. After the pre-steps has been completed, the server installation or cloning process will start with the defined settings like amount of CPU and memory, network information, and so on. When the server is up and running, software can be automatically installed and configured during this end-to-end process. More than 60 ready-to-use standard software packages are coming with the Leon installation. Also, server hardening or compliance checks can be triggered, and if required, fully automated remediation actions will be executed. The next big topic in the end-to-end process are the integrations into third-party systems. For example, we will integrate into a monitoring or backup system, automatically create a change in the change management system, and document everything in the CMDB. To integrate the new server into already existing processes, we would assign the server to the correct patching and compliance group. So the server will follow automatically the defined processes of the company. Last but not least, Leon provides the capability to execute defined day 2 activities against those servers. For example, you can stop a server, create a snapshot, install additional software, or change the amount of CPU or memory. Let's jump into a live demo now and provision a new server from Leon. We are now on the Leon login screen, and I will log in with my given user. On the first page, I get an overview of my environment. What we want to do in this video is request a new server. So I go to the service catalog where all the services which I'm allowed to request are shown. We want to provision now a Windows 2016 server. Now we have a couple of input fields, like I can give a service name, I can change the service owner, say I'm the owner. Then I have to specify an environment. I want to place my server in the BMC production environment. I can choose a data store, I can choose a network and an IP range. I can specify the server configuration, leave the 4 CPUs. I want to have 8 GB of memory, and I want to have an additional disk with 10 GB. Then I can select the operating system. In my case, I only have the Windows 2016 template available. If required, I can create a local administrator user directly from Leon. I don't need a user right now. Then I can specify which software packages should be installed during the provisioning process. Let's say we want to have Firefox and Notepad++. Also, I can specify into which third-party systems the server should be integrated, like a change management system, antivirus, a backup system, whatever. I'll leave this as it is now. And I can change the installation sequence if required. In my case, I don't want to change it. Then I will request the server. So server provisioning has been started. I can check it in the log files and see the progress, what happens in this log. Let's wait a couple of minutes until the server is provisioned successfully. Server provisioning has been completed successfully now. We can check this in the logs. Here we can see all activities which has been executed during the provisioning process. And at the end, we can see the provisioning finished successfully. Now I want to show you how Leon can help you during the server lifecycle. I have the list of servers which I'm responsible for, and on those servers I can execute the two activities like stop the server, create a snapshot, add additional disk, or in my case, change the memory. I get a list of predefined values. I choose 16 GB of memory, click OK, and in the backend, Leon will increase the memory size of this server to 16. So this was the video for Leon end-to-end server provisioning. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.